Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find friends' locations in Snapchat. So in here, I've already opened the Snapchat apps, and to start finding the your friend's location, you can just after you open the Snapchat, you can just click on the map button in here, and after this you can see your friends allocations in here. But if you want to search for a specific friends, you can just click on this search column and then just type in your friend's name, and after that you can see the location on the screen just like this. But if you cannot see the person's location, it might be because that they enable the ghost mode on Snapchat, so you cannot see where your friends is now. So you can also enable the ghost mode by clicking on the settings icon at the top right corner on the map in here, and you can see the ghost mode. So when enabled, your friends can see your location, and you also cannot see your friend's location like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.